So students, now we are going to do multiplication and division of time and the related exercises. Earlier we have learned how to add and subtract the time. For that you have to remember the conversion of time in your mind. It is very important. Here also we will use the conversion and then we are going to multiply and divide the time given to us. So let us solve exercise 4, question number 1, that is multiply. Here question is given 6 hours 15 minutes 20 seconds by 7. We have to multiply this given time by 7. So what you are going to do, first you are going to make the columns as we used to do in addition and subtraction, and whatever the units are given, numbers are given, you are going to write that under those columns, that is 6 hours 15 minutes and 20 seconds. Now in the second line you are going to write the multiplier, that is 7. Okay, so this will be our multiplier. It will be this time will be multiplied by 7. Now here we can't directly multiply. Okay, first you have to go through it step by step. So multiply the second. So we are going to multiply the seconds first. So when we will multiply the second, then that is second is 20 and 20 multiplied by 7. How many seconds we will get? 140 seconds. So we can't write, see, we can't write 140 over here. Okay, because it will be wrong. It will be wrong. Why? Because you will write 0 over here and 14 cannot be taken as carry. Okay, over here you can't take 14 as carry, so it will be wrong. So what you are going to do, we know the conversion very well, that see, after the second column there is minute column, so we will convert the second that we have got after multiplying into minutes. So now we know that 1 minute equals to 60 seconds, so 140 seconds will be equal to, you can expand and write it like this, 60 plus 60, that is 120, plus 20 equals to 140. So we know that 60 seconds 1 make 1 minute, so 1 plus 1 2 minutes and remaining will be the second itself, so 2 minutes 20 seconds. So first we are going to convert it over here, then we will write down it over here. Okay, so these 2 minutes now will be taken as carry. Okay, and whatever the seconds will be, they will come under the, they will be written under the seconds column. Okay, minutes will be taken as carry after the conversion. Now what we are going to do, second step, in second step we are going to multiply 15 by 7. सेम थिंग वी हैव टू डू. अगर 60 मिनट से ज़्यादा आता है तो फिर हमें कन्वर्ट करना होगा. अगर यहाँ पे भी 60 से ज़्यादा कोई वैल्यू आएगी तो हमें कन्वर्ट करनी होगी. 60 से लेस देन है तो हम उसको एज इट इज़ लिख सकते हैं. ओके, सेकेंड को आप सेकेंड के कॉलम में लिखेंगे, मिनट का मल्टीप्लाई करके मिनट के कॉलम में लिखेंगे. हमने यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट कर लिया तो जो 2 है मिनट का है, इसीलिए हम उसको कैरी ओवर करेंगे. ओके, so now let us see the second step. Here we will multiply the minutes. So when we will multiply the minutes, that is 15 multiplied by 7, we will get 105 minutes. Okay, so now there are 2 more minutes over here because 2 is taken as carry. So now 105 plus 2 minutes will be 107 minutes. Now this number is greater than 60. Okay, so we are going to convert minutes into what? Hours. Okay, so we will convert minutes into hours first. So now it is greater than 60, so we are going to convert these minutes into hours. We know that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So 107 minute will be 60 plus 47. We will expand it. Okay, we will remove the 60. This 60 will make 1 hour. Okay, this 60 is going to make 1 hour and this will be 47 minutes. Okay, so now what you have to do, 47 you will write as it is in the minutes column. Okay, because this is minute and 1 will be taken as carry over to the hour column. Now same thing you have to do, 7 into 6 you will do, 7 6 are 42 hours. So 42 hours we are going to get. Now what we will do, 42 and 1 is taken as carry. Okay, this 1 hour was taken as carry, so we are going to add 42 plus 1 hours equals to 43 hours. So this is the 43 hours. Okay, now we will write the answer. 43 hours and how many minutes? 47 minutes and 20 second. Okay, if you will do it directly, then you will get confused. Okay, so these steps are very important. Whenever you will multiply, you will write these steps in your fair copy. Okay, remaining questions of this question number 1 are for homework. You will do on your own. Now let us see how to divide. Okay, we have seen the multiplication. Now we will see the division. So in division also we have to go through the certain steps. Step by step we have to divide, and we have to convert also over here. So let us see the first step. So we have to divide equation number A. Okay, 80 hours 45 minutes by 15. We have to divide 80 hours 45 minutes by 15. So our step 1 will be, what we will do first, you are going to make, this is very important, this is not a rough work. Okay, these both are the fair work, so you will not write it in the rough column. So here what you will do, hours, minute and second, you will make the column. Then 15 will be our divisor, and this is our dividend. You will write 80 in the hours column and minutes are 45 in the minutes column. There are no seconds, so we will leave this column. We are going to divide this whole number by 15. Okay, so when 80 is divided by 15, what you will get? You will get quotient as 5 and remainder as 5. So you are going to write over here quotient and remainder as well. Now you have to, what you have to do? You have to convert 5 hours to minutes. Okay, so here the remainder is 5 hours. Okay, this is the remainder, so you can't take it directly because this is the minute column. Okay, so what you will do, first you will convert this into minute and then you will divide it in the minute column. So 5 hours will be 5 into 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. So it will be 300 minutes. Now what we have to do in step 2, here 45 minutes is given and 5 hours is converted into 300 minutes. So 300 plus 45 minutes will be how much? It will be 345 minutes. Okay, now what you are going to do? You are going to divide this number 345 by 15. Now this 5 is changed into what? This 5 is changed into 345. Okay, you have added 45 also, so it will be 345. Now you are going to divide this 345 by 15. So 15 we will again recite the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30. Okay, 15 twos are how much? 15 twos are 30. So we will write down it over here. Now 4 minus 0 is how much? 4 minus 0 is 4 and 3 minus 3 is 0. Now we will bring this 5 down. Okay, now 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45. Now it is completely divisible. Remember this thing, that whenever we will divide the time, it should be completely divisible to get the answer. So here what we have got as the answer? We have got 5 hours and 23 minutes as the answer. And when we have divided 345 by 15, how many minutes does we got? We got 23 minutes. Okay, so our quotient will be 23 and the remainder, see, this is our quotient 23 and remainder over here is 0 minute. So whenever remainder becomes 0, because here only minutes were given, so whenever remainder becomes 0, our division is completed. Now let us see the next question, that is 42 hours 5 minutes 4 seconds are also given over here by 4. So same step we have to do, make the column and make the division box. Then 42 divided by 4. First we will divide the hours. So we know that 4 ones are, okay, how much? 4 ones are 4. So it will be 0. Now we have to bring this 2 down. It is completely divisible over here. So we have to bring this 2 down to divide it further. So here we have to take 0 over here, and we will bring this 2 down. Now 2 hours are remaining. Quotient is what? Quotient is 10. Okay, or directly what you can do, you can write 4 tens are 40 also, then also you are going to get 2. Okay, so quotient will be 10. Now remainder will be what? Remainder will be 2, and 2 are the hours, so we will convert 2 hours into minutes. 1 minute 60 seconds, so 2 hours will have how much? 2 into 60 minute. Okay, 2 into 60 is how much? 120 minute. So this 2 is converted into 120. Now 120 plus 5, here we will write plus 5 is 125. Now we are going to divide this 125. So here we will write 120 minute plus 5 minute equals to 125 minutes. So now we will do step 2. 125 divided by 4. Now 4 3s are 12. Now 5 we will take it down, and 4 ones are how much? 4 ones are 4. So 1 will remain, and 1 is the remainder. Okay, so here what we can do here, so here 31 will be our question. Now we have to convert this 1 minute is the remainder. We have to convert 1 minute into second. We know that 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So here 1 minute is only the remainder. So 1 minute will be equals to 60 seconds. So now here we have got 1 is converted into 60. Now here we will write down 60 plus 4. So 60 plus 4 will be 64. Okay, now you will divide 64 by 4. So 4 ones are 4. Okay, now here 2 will remain, and this 4 we will bring down. So 4 6 are 24. Now this division is completed as the remainder becomes 0. In step 3 you will write down over here that you have divided 64 by 4. So quotient is 16 and remainder is 0. So our answer is 42 hours 5 minutes 4 seconds divided by 4 will be equals to 10 hours 31 minutes and 16 seconds. So this will be our required answer. I hope that you have understand, and remaining questions are for homework that you will do on your own. You have to do step by step. Don't skip these steps. Okay, you have to write these steps also, and you have to show the division also.